On today's menu, an incredibly easy and delicious recipe you can make even if you're in a hurry. Vegan chickpea curry.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is a super delicious recipe and just with a few ingredients you can make this in no time.
Half an onion. Two pieces garlic. Medium heat. Generous drizzle of olive oil. Onions and garlic. Generous pinch of salt. Pepper. Stir. Two tablespoons garam masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric. One cup canned chickpeas. 1.5 cups coconut milk. A handful of baby kale and arugula. Season.
Coconut milk is quite strong, so make sure you season it really well.
Turn the heat off, taste your curry, add more salt if needed. Plate. Cilantro.
Gonna serve that alongside my amazing flatbread that I made in the previous episode.
You can now make this delicious curry with absolute confidence.
I don't know about you, but this has got to be the dream dinner. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.